In this video I am going to show you how to put home button on your iPhone's screen. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up settings, and from here you can find accessibility, get into it, then hit add touch, next hit on assistive touch. And there first you have to enable that feature, assistive touch. Just hit at that switcher to turn it on. As you see, that button has appeared, and now all you have to do is just hit at that single tap feature, and there from that list select home. And now this button, you can change its position over the right edge of your device, and I can locate it right here. Now I can open up some application, and once I make a single tap on that button, now it brings me to the home screen, and this action will bring me to the home screen from any application. So that's actually works now as a home button. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.